This question is again related with with the Battle of Uhad. When Rasul Kareem sallallahu alaihi wasallam was coming back with Hazrat Sa'ad bin Mu'az after the incident, they both of them encountered the mother of Hazrat Sa'ad bin Mu'az. So Huzur Sallam didn't know her. So Hazrat Sa'ad bin Mu'az introduced her that Huzur, she is my mother, and addressing her, Rasul Kareem sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Mother, I'm sorry, your son is dead. He is martyred in the Battle of Uhud." Then that lady, when she learned that this is the Prophet of Allah who is saying me this, she retorted that kullu musibatin ba'daka jalal.
Now this is I don't know where he's taken it from, but the hadith which I have read speaks of a lady who had lost his son, his brother, and also her son, her brother, and her husband as well. And Rasulullah sallam commiserated with her. First he told about the son, then she said, "How are you? I wanted to see you, that's enough." Then Rasulullah thought perhaps she doesn't know about the brother, so she told her about the brother, and then the same attitude of total submission and love to Rasulullah, and she didn't care who else was martyred. So when finally she was informed of the martyrdom of her husband, still her attitude did not change, and she said, "Kullu musibatin ba'daka jalalu." O Prophet of Allah, if you are there, and all the inflictions and calamities are just nothing compared to you. You open the darkness with light. Jalalu means this. So this is a beautiful an incident which shows how much Rasulullah was loved by his companions. So what is the question then?
That's what he wanted to know, the meaning of kullu musibatin ba'daka jalal.
Please bring this tradition, authentic tradition, with all the reference next time you come. And I think if I may be corrected, perhaps it was not Rasulullah who told her what her loss was. She was madly running towards the battlefield, and some Sahaba were returning, and they told her. So one of them stopped her and said, "Do you know who that and that died or was martyred?" She said, "I'm not asking about him. I'm asking about Rasulullah." So he corrected himself. He added to that, thinking perhaps that she didn't know that even her brother was martyred. So he said, "Your brother is also martyred." She was extremely restless. "No, I don't want to hear about others. Tell me about Rasulullah." Because the news had spread that perhaps Rasulullah had also been martyred. So when third time he told, she just, with the wave of her hand, rejected him. And said, "Tell me where is Rasulullah." He saw in a crowd, Rasulullah was standing there. He indicated with his finger, "Look over there." Then she ran madly, and standing outside on the edge of the crowd, she said this famous sentence, "Kullu musibatin ba'daka jalalu." Now this perhaps is the correct version of the same hadith, but we will have it checked up inshallah.